In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable safety settings in Grok AI, Settings Guide 2026. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. You can browse most settings without an account, but I recommend signing in so your preferences are saved across devices. It only takes a moment, and it ensures any changes you make will stick the next time you come back. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you can see the main Grok AI interface. This is where you typically start new chats or continue existing ones. From here, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You'll find your profile icon there. Click it to open the user menu. In the menu, choose Settings. This opens a panel that organizes everything you can customize. You'll see categories like Account, Appearance, Behavior, or Customize, and Data Controls. For today's focus on safety and privacy, we're going into Data Controls. Inside Data Controls, you'll find options that directly influence how your data is handled and how visible your activity can be. Let's walk through the important ones so you can decide what's right for you. Improve the model lets you allow or decline the use of your data to help train future versions of the model. If privacy is your top priority, you can turn this off. If you want to contribute to model quality, you can leave it on. Either choice is valid. Pick what matches your comfort level. Personalize Grok with your conversation history, sometimes marked as beta, allows the assistant to remember helpful details from previous chats. If you want a more tailored experience, keep it on. If you prefer each session to be fresh, turn it off. You can also delete individual conversations anytime to remove saved context. Allow chat link sharing controls, whether you can generate shareable links to your chats. For maximum privacy, keep this off. If you need to collaborate or share examples with teammates, enable it when necessary and disable it afterward. Storage usage gives you a snapshot of how much space your files and assets take up. Use See Files and Assets to review uploads, and see Shared Links to audit anything you've shared publicly. See Deleted Conversations helps you confirm that items you removed are indeed gone from your view. If things feel sluggish or outdated, use Clear Cache to refresh local data without changing your saved preferences. And if you ever need a copy of what's associated with your account, choose Export Account Data to download a portable archive. That's it. By visiting Settings, opening Data Controls, and adjusting these options, you've configured Grok AI for safer, more private use tailored to your needs.